Hello guys, welcome to In 5 Minutes. In the last presentations, we have seen that the SOP form equations can be easily implemented with the help of NAND gates, and the post form equations can be easily implemented using NOR gates. That is nothing but what combinations we have here. If you have equations in the post format, that can be easily implemented with the help of NOR gates, and if the equation is in the SOP format, that can be easily implemented using NAND gates. But a tricky question is asked many times, in which they ask you to implement a post form of equation using NAND or a SOP form of equation using NOR. Okay, so there is a cross connections. They might ask you in this manner or in this manner. So what we are going to see here is, given an equation in a SOP form and we need to convert it into with the help of NOR gates. Okay, so first of all, we need to identify that whether the given equation is in SOP or post. So let us consider an equation, very small equation, y is equal to a plus b into c. So y is equal to a plus b c. So this equation clearly is in a SOP form equation. Okay, so for this kind of equation which is in SOP form, it is very hard to implement with the help of NOR gates directly. So first of all, you need to convert this equation from SOP to post format. How you convert this? First of all, you need to solve the K-map for this and replace ones with zeros. Then you will get in the K-map the equation in the post format. Otherwise, a simple loss with the help of simple Boolean laws you can convert it. So here what I am going to use is the Boolean law. So with the help of distributive law, I am going to convert this, what are the equations SOP form, into a post form equations. Okay, so for that, by distributive law, therefore y is equal to, now let me assume a bracket here for BC, so it will be a plus b into a plus c. Hence the equation will be a plus b and with a plus c. Now you can see the same equations is easily converted into a post format equation. Now with the help of NOR gates particularly, how we are going to implement this? So for that, another tricky part is there. So let us write down this equation once again, for which y is equal to a plus b into a plus c. That is nothing but the same equation I can write in the form of y complement of complement, that is nothing but y. So at the right hand side also I can make these changes as complement of complement, that is nothing but the same equation. Okay, now I can write the same equation, like y is equal to, same equation I can write it down here, but with the help of De Morgan's theorem, what I can do here, so I will use here De Morgan's theorem. Therefore by De Morgan's theorem, that is nothing but break the bar and change the sign. So basically what I will do here, I'll break the bar, which is the inner one, and I will change this AND sign to the OR sign. So this AND will be replaced by a OR sign. Okay, now you can see basically here for this equation, it is a plus b or a OR with b, and this is a OR with c, whole complements, one NOR gate, and inside also there's a NOR gate. So to implement these equations, let us implement these equations one by one. So for the first NOR gate, the equations are like, two inputs are there, and this is the final equation y. It is a plus b, this term plus this term, and NOR operation between these two. So one of the inputs are, this input should be a plus b complement, and this should be a plus c complement. The final answer will be same. To obtain these equations, again I will be requiring NOR gates, and for these NOR gates the input must be a, b, a and c. So finally we will get here a plus b, the whole bar, which is connected to the input this one, and here you will get a plus c, the whole bar. and these to be shorted to the final inputs. So final inputs are A, B, C. This is B and this one is C, and finally they are shorted to A, B, and this one is C. So this is your final implementation, SOP form equation implemented with the help of NOR gates. So this is the basic ideological part here, a tricky part. Okay, so same procedure you can reverse with the order when they will ask you a post form equation to be implemented with the help of NAND gate. So you have to convert this post form equation into SOP form by means of Boolean laws or by solving the K map once again from the 0 entries to 1 entries, and you will get the SOP form equation, and then you can easily implement with the help of NAND gate. So this is how some tricky parts are asked in the exam, so be sure with that and stay tuned to in 5 minutes.